Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change password in BingX. If you want to change your login password on BingX app, then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, launch open your BingX application on your smartphone and then log into your account. From the homepage of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Security Center. Under Security Center, tap on Password at the bottom and then enter your new password you want to change to in the next page. After typing down your new password, go to the next field and enter the new password once again. Finally, click on Get Code under Email Verification and you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your registered email. Go open up your registered email inbox and you'll receive an email from BingX. Copy that code inside it and get back to BingX app and paste it in. After you do that, click on OK at the bottom and you have successfully changed your login password on BingX. You'll now need to go ahead and enter your new password and get access back to your account. Go ahead and enter your email or phone number and click Next. And in the password field, enter the newly updated password. Finally, click on Login and verify your email once again. Go open up your email inbox, click on the verification code that you received, copy that, get back to BingX app and paste it in. Finally, click OK and you have successfully logged into BingX with the newly updated password. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed in. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.